In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the search engine to Google Translate. Right away, there is one thing to clear up. Google Translate is not a search engine, so you cannot make it the default search engine in your browser. Instead, we will set it up as a quick shortcut inside Google Chrome, so you can send any text to Google Translate with just a few keystrokes. To get started, open Google Chrome. You can use any Chrome profile here. Once Chrome is open, look near the top right corner of the window. You should see the three vertical dots icon, which opens the main menu for Chrome. Now click the three dots. A drop-down menu appears under the icon. This menu controls things like new tabs, history, downloads, and the browser settings. You do not need any of the other options right now. We are heading straight into the configuration area. From this menu, select Settings. When you click Settings, Chrome opens a new tab with a sidebar on the left and sections of options on the right. The page title near the top left should simply say Settings, so you know you are in the right place. Next, click Search Engine in the left sidebar. On the right side, you now see controls related to how Chrome searches from the address bar. There is a drop-down for the default search engine, and below that, links for managing search engines and site search. Select Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This opens a more detailed page. At the top, you see the current default search engines list. Below that, you will find a section called Site Search. That is where we will add Google Translate, so it can be triggered like a custom command. Now click Add in the Site Search section. A small pop-up window appears with three fields: Search Engine, Shortcut, and URL with a placeholder for search terms. Nothing you type here changes anything until you click Add, so you can adjust the text if needed. Enter Google Translate in the Search Engine field. This is just the label that Chrome shows in the list. It is helpful to type it clearly, so later you can tell it apart from Google Search or any other tools you add. In the shortcut field, enter the word Translate. This shortcut is what you will type in the Chrome address bar before your text. A shorter word saves time, but it still needs to be something you remember easily. For the URL field, enter the address https://translate.google.com/?text equals %s. The %s part is a placeholder. Chrome replaces it with whatever text you type after the shortcut and sends that to Google Translate. When all three fields look correct, click Add. The pop-up closes, and you now see Google Translate listed under Site Search with the shortcut Translate. Next time you type Translate, then a space, then some text in the address bar, Chrome will open Google Translate with that text already filled in. So in this video, you created a Chrome site search shortcut that sends any text you type straight into Google Translate. If that helped you get to Google Translate faster, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick Chrome tweaks.